Okay, hi guys. Welcome to my first RPGMaker VX tutorial, and I have been working on learning how to script in it. The scripting is done in Ruby. I have a background in coding, but it is unfortunately Visual Basic. I've worked with Java, C Sharp, JavaScript, PHP, other C syntax languages, curly brackets, and semicolons. And Ruby is not that. I have not worked with Ruby before, and what the in RPG Maker VX Ace, RGSS3 is the scripting language, and it is Ruby. It's a Ruby API, I think, not necessarily a subset of Ruby but a Ruby API, and generally everything that you're doing in Ruby you can use. So when you're, do I want to change? No, I don't. When you're in the event mode, you can change here map mode, event mode. When you're in event mode and you go and make a new event, you add an event command. You go to tab 3, there's this script button, and it opens up a script window, and you can type, you know, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, and after 12, it kicks you out of the window. You don't get a new line. And so you can go back in here and say, okay, oh, it kicks you out. So this is good for putting in short scripts, calling scripts, which is what it's actually for, I think. And so you could, do another one and chain them like that. But I pretty quickly ran into that and ran out of room there, and I wanted to see, okay, well, what do I do to add room? And so in the scripts tab up here, you can add in new scripts. And so you say, okay, insert that, find my script, and then you can put your script in here. And then you can call it from those windows. So that's one thing that I wanted to do, is just kind of go over some of the snags I hit and get a script in here that we can call. And so the first thing we want to do, I think, is define, it's not called a method or a function. I don't remember what it's called in Ruby, but it's essentially what it is. So we're going to say define show message, and then we want to end that. And so when we call show message, we want to say game message dot add. This is the text window displayed from my script. Okay, fine, and there we go. And so we'll say game message dot add the value of variable 1 is, and then game variables 1, and then we have to call the toString method that's built into the string object in Ruby. And I'll apply this, save it, and then I want to copy these two out of here and just kind of show you the difference. Okay, so we're going to need some place to stand real quick. Fine, making a new event and have it be, something awesome. Yeah, a teddy bear. And so we want the same level as character, not below or above, and the trigger to be the action button, so that when we press the action button on it, we'll get it. And I'm going to go to script here, and I'm going to paste in what I had put in the other script window and apply that, and now we'll run it. Now we go up here, Talk to the bear. It says, hey, this is the text window display for my script. Value of the variable 1 is 0 because we did not initialize it. So uninitialized variables start out as 0, although that is a bad idea to just do that. And so we can go back and edit this and correct my spelling mistake, and then say game variables 1 equals, we can say it equals 31, and then go back and run it, and we're gonna get the game variable equals 31, and that's fine. That's all good, fine and dandy. So we called the toString method on that variable. Because it's an integer. But variables can also hold text. And I wonder if we call it without the toString variable, what will happen? You would think it would come out right. But again, I'm just fiddling with this, so hey, my var. So, now what we want to do is change this so that we are actually displaying it from, we want to do show message. I think the parentheses are optional there, but so we do show message, and I want to go wrong one, back to my script, and just do game variables 1 is equal to 123. So now we should get that text because we called the script in a method called whatever it's called in Ruby. Oh, okay, there. And so we do get that. So if you need more room in the text editor, under the event commands, you can jump your script to the scripts and call it from there, and that's it. I'll go a little more in depth as I continue to learn this, do some class coding and things like that, and hope this helps somebody, and we'll see you later.